bought two powmr solar chargers. This one here did absolutely fine on this separate system. Shows the watts coming in on the left from my solar panels, volts. To set press the second button. It shows how many amps are coming in to your batteries. Press and hold that button to change it. 52.3. That was 50 a little while ago. It changed itself. Okay, on this one, well, that one there has been doing fine. I don't know why it changed itself, but so far so good. It's staying at, I don't know if you can see it, but staying at 51.6 volts. Okay, now this one here, I gotta wake it up every single morning. Right there, it's always showing like 57 volts. But when I come in the morning, it'll be showing like 20 watts. And all I do is turn the solar panel off, turn the solar panel back on, and it'll double every single time I do it. See how it's jumping up? But if it was like 20 watts in the morning, I do that there, and it'll change to 40 watts. I do it again, it'll change to 80 watts, and then so on and so forth. It'll go as high as 400 watts or more. I've seen it go to 600 or 800 sometimes. Just keep flipping it on and off.